In this video, I will show how to add chatbot in your WordPress website. So just you have to guys search this plugin, Crisp Live Chat and Chatbot, a free one-click to install live chat and chatbot plugin. No coding skills are required. Used by more than 30,000 plus on WordPress. So install and activate this plugin. And guys, give a try to this plugin. Guys, if you need any help how to use this one, so comment, I will resolve it. So this is the short and basic video to learn and to get know how to add chatbot in WordPress website. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.